Hey everyone, I am back with another flower 3D flower video. Here I am using acrylic fabric paints. Please comment below your thoughts and share with me because your comments encourage me to do something new and a new flower. Please tell in the comments which flowers do you want to learn in a easiest way. I will tell you easy way to making 3D flowers. Enjoy the video.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
How to make leaves of tulip flowers easily. First of all, outline with the dark color, dark green, sap green. I am using dark green color here. And then fill. Easiest way to make leaves, 3D leaves. Then fill light green or parrot green within the flowers. We can make sap green at home with the blue, mixing of blue, ultramarine blue and lemon yellow shade. And if you want to make light green shade or parrot green, little bit more lemon yellow shade. Guys, please subscribe my channel. I am making videos for you. It is very much difficult to take time for videos, making videos. Then please subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram at paramjeetchanna@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.